Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make calls with Microsoft Teams. Whether you need to quickly connect with a colleague or jump into a conversation that's easier handled by voice, knowing how to initiate calls within Teams can streamline your communication and help you get things done faster. Let's walk through the simple steps to make this happen. First, direct your attention to the left side navigation panel in Microsoft Teams. Here you'll see several options. But for this task, you want to click on Chat. This section houses all your ongoing conversations with colleagues and contacts. Once you click on it, you'll see a list of your recent chats appear in the main window. Now, go ahead and open a conversation with the person you want to call. Simply click on their name or the existing chat thread to bring up your conversation history. With the chat now open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a call icon sitting there, usually represented by a phone symbol. This icon is your direct gateway to initiating a voice call with that person. Click on it, and Microsoft Teams will immediately attempt to contact them. You'll see a calling screen appear indicating that the call is connecting. The other person will receive a notification on their end, and once they answer, you'll be connected and ready to talk. This method is incredibly straightforward and works well when you're already engaged in a conversation and want to quickly escalate it to a call. Now, there's another way to make calls in Microsoft Teams that's equally convenient, especially if you're not currently in an active chat with the person. You can click directly on their profile icon, which you might see in your contacts list or anywhere their name appears within Teams. When you click on their icon, a small menu or card will pop up, displaying their contact information and several quick action buttons. Among these options, you'll see the call icon again. Click on it, and just like before, Teams will initiate the call right away. This approach is great for reaching out to someone on the fly without needing to navigate through your chat history first. Both methods are designed to make calling as effortless as possible within Microsoft Teams, giving you flexibility depending on where you are in the app. Whether you're already chatting or just browsing your contacts, you're only a click or two away from starting a voice conversation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.